thing on.
Hey guys, the grubby kids have made it to the Big Smoke. We are staying about 20 minutes out of the city, which is pretty good for Sydney, I reckon. We've come into Sydney today, just having a walk around.
Sightsee.
Yep, we've got the Opera House right in front of us, the Harbour Bridge right behind us, and we can just see Luna Park over the harbour there. Otherwise, we're
catching up with a few family friends of mine, and also some friends in Sydney today, and yeah, we'll take you around and show you what we're going. In Sydney. Yesterday I think we ended up doing about 15 kilometres of walking, so we're very sore today. But today we're going over to Bondi, have a look around there, maybe do the coastal walk, maybe, and then we're going to head back to the city and check a few more of the attractions out. So we'll see what we get up to for the day. Day 2 of Sydney. Hopefully you enjoy seeing what we got up to. Tia, what was your favourite part?
Bondi?
Yeah, Bondi is my favourite. Iconic beach, had to go there.
Didn't see any rescues.
No rescues seen, but it was
okay.
Yeah, it was still good.
It was a nice calm day, so
yeah,
it was nice. Well, you swam.
I had to swim.
I didn't.
No. But yeah, it's very, very nice in Sydney. Tomorrow we're going to the Blue Mountains, so we'll take you along there.
Morning guys! It's been a couple of days since our last vlog. We've left Sydney yesterday. We didn't vlog anything just because it was a travel day. Normally we just pack up camp, travel to our next place, set camp back up and chill out, which is exactly what we did. So we're now staying at the base of the Blue Mountains, and over the next couple of days we're going to do a couple of day trips up into the Blue Mountains, and Elle wants to go check out the Lithgow area tomorrow.
First stop of the day, we're at Empress Falls. Nice waterfall, surrounded by escarpment, so yeah, very beautiful. A bit of a walk down, probably another 600 steps, but not too bad. Nice and cool today.
And it was beautiful walking.
And it was pretty scenic. Stop for the day, where are we?
So I think this is called Echo Point Lookout, and the Three Sisters are just over here.
Pretty busy.
So that was our first day in the Blue Mountains. What are we going to do tomorrow?
Go up to Lithgow, do some off-roading, check out some more of the lookouts and the sights around there. Yeah. Alrighty, so we made it to the Zig Zag Railway. We're up in, it's an old town called Clarence near Lithgow. It's what's left of an old railway station, closed in 1910. So it's all still standing pretty cool. We're going to head up to the glowworm tunnel and hopefully get to the lost city if the tracks aren't too bad. It's been raining, so we'll see how we go. Hopefully we can get there because it's pretty cool. To that.
Yeah, that is bloody freezing.
Tia can't handle the cold at all. It's 16 degrees or something up here.
We're in the clouds.
In the clouds, 16 degrees, but
It was 39 degrees yesterday.
Yeah.
And now it's 16.
Big change in weather, but I like it, it's good. T doesn't like it. I haven't seen wild berries in ages.
Alright guys, we're at a glowworm tunnel at the moment. We've driven through a state forest and then about a 2-kilometre walk from the car park, and we've come across this tunnel. We've had a walk inside, you have to go a fair way in, and we saw a few glowworms, which is pretty cool. Couldn't pick up anything on the camera, but yeah, in complete darkness you could see all the glowworms in the tunnel. Alright, we're gonna head back now, and I think we might go see the Lost City. Yeah?
Yeah.
Just out of Lithgow, I'm pretty sure.
Alrighty, so we made it to the Lost City. Pretty easy track, hard enough for us though, but yeah.
Pretty cool four-wheel drive track.
Pretty cool four-wheel drive track. And yeah, the views are pretty cool. Unfortunately it's cloudy, but you can still see most of them. Hey?
Yeah, it would be cool to see it when you can see for ages, but this is also pretty cool to be standing in the clouds.
Yeah.
Literally in the clouds.
And I would like to fly the drone, but it's a bit wet, so
Bit wet.
probably not the best too.
And it's freezing in the clouds.
And it's cold. So we'll head back down and go back to
watching. We are heading down to the south coast of New South Wales next, so stay tuned for our next vlog.